Sunlight as medicine. The benefits of daily sun exposure. Everything you need to know about sunlight and health. In today's fast-paced, indoor-oriented world, we often overlook one of the simplest, most accessible ways to enhance our well-being: stepping outside and soaking up natural sunlight. Sunlight exposure isn't just a mood booster. It's essential for our physical and mental health. While diet, supplements, and fitness trends get a lot of attention, sunlight, a free resource, powers vital processes in our own body. So what are the health benefits of natural sunlight, and how can we make the most of it daily? 1. Sunlight and the circadian rhythm, nature's alarm clock. One of the primary ways sunlight benefits health is through its influence on our circadian rhythm, the body's natural internal clock that governs sleep and wake cycles. Exposure to sunlight, especially in the morning, helps regulate this rhythm by signaling the body to reduce melatonin, the sleep hormone, helping us feel alert and energized throughout the day. Later, as daylight fades, melatonin production rises naturally, promoting restful sleep. When we wake up to natural sunlight, it's like hitting a reset button for our bodies. This morning light signals the brain to adjust and prepare for the day, effectively enhancing mental clarity, focus, and mood. On the flip side, when we don't get enough exposure to sunlight, our internal clocks can become misaligned, leading to fatigue, disturbed sleep, and other health issues. Maintaining a regular exposure to daylight aligns our internal clock with our environment, ensuring we feel awake and rested at the right times. 2. A symphony of health benefits through balanced melatonin and energy. Think of your circadian rhythm as a conductor of a symphony, coordinating processes like hormone production, digestion, and cell repair. The role of natural light is similar to that of the conductor's baton. It cues each part of this biological orchestra to play in harmony. Daylight, especially in the morning, signals the suppression of melatonin production and boosts serotonin, a mood-regulating neurotransmitter. This rhythm helps maintain energy during the day and supports deep, restorative sleep at night. Without regular daylight exposure, this balance can be disrupted. Over time, the effects of disrupted circadian rhythms can lead to significant health impacts such as chronic fatigue, weakened immunity, and an increased risk for metabolic imbalances and even cardiovascular issues. The simple habit of stepping outside and getting some morning sunlight could be one of the most effective ways to keep this natural cycle in tune. 3. Energizing mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. Sunlight also has a direct effect on cellular function. When sunlight reaches our skin, it optimizes our mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells that produce energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. This increase in energy improves stamina, focus, and resilience, while supporting faster recovery from physical stress and enhancing cognitive function. 4. Mood, mental health, and the role of serotonin. Natural light exposure is known to increase serotonin, a brain chemical that stabilizes mood and reduces stress. That's why sunny days make us feel happier. Without enough sunlight, serotonin levels can drop, leading to mood disorders like seasonal affective disorder, SAD. Regular sunlight exposure, especially in the morning, can naturally uplift mood and reduce anxiety and depression symptoms. 5. Vitamin D, a nutrient with multidimensional health benefits. Sunlight promotes vitamin D synthesis in the skin, supporting bone health, immune function, and mental well-being. Vitamin D helps with calcium absorption and strengthens our bones, but it also supports our immune system and mood regulation. Just 15 to 30 minutes of daily sunlight can provide enough vitamin D, often reducing the need for supplements. 6. Practical tips for safe sunlight exposure. While sunlight exposure is beneficial, it's important to balance it with proper protection. Here are some practical tips for reaping the benefits of sunlight safely. Morning sunlight. Aim to get at least 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight daily. This exposure helps set your circadian rhythm for the day and is gentle enough not to cause skin damage. Balanced timing. Midday sunlight provides the most vitamin D, but it's also the strongest. If you're outside during these hours, limit exposure to avoid overexposure and sunburn. Use zinc oxide-based sunscreen. If you're going to be in the sun for an extended period, opt for a natural sunscreen like zinc oxide, which forms a physical barrier that blocks both UVA and UVB rays without absorbing into the skin or causing irritation. Consider your environment. If you live in an area with limited sunlight during certain months, consider using a light therapy lamp to simulate the effects of natural sunlight. 7. Sunlight and different stages of life. Different age groups benefit from sunlight in specific ways. Here's how natural light supports wellness at each stage of life. Children and teens. Sunlight is crucial for developing strong bones and a healthy immune system, setting the foundation for lifelong wellness. Exposure to sunlight also supports serotonin production, which helps regulate mood during growth years. Adults in their 30s and 40s. For those balancing careers, family, and other responsibilities, sunlight helps maintain energy and mood stability, which is essential for managing stress. Natural light exposure supports immune health, cognitive function, and cellular energy, key factors for staying productive and focused. Older adults. Aging can bring a natural decline in vitamin D levels, so regular sun exposure is essential to support bone health and immune function. Sunlight also enhances mood, which can be particularly beneficial for older adults at risk of isolation or depression. 8. Long-term health benefits of sunlight exposure. Beyond daily boosts to energy and mood, regular sunlight exposure contributes to long-term health improvements. Reduced risk of chronic disease. Studies link regular sunlight exposure to a lower risk of chronic illnesses such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Improved cognitive function. Sunlight exposure has been associated with improved memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative conditions in later life. Enhanced skin health. Moderate sun exposure can improve skin cell vitality, giving the skin a healthy glow and helping with skin conditions like psoriasis. Combined with proper protection, sunlight can support skin health without increasing the risk of sun damage. 9. Building sunlight into your routine. The benefits of sunlight are best achieved through consistency. Incorporating small doses of sunlight into your routine doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some easy ways to make sunlight a daily habit. Take morning walks. Start your day with a brief walk outside, even if it's just around your block or a local park. Work near windows. If you work from home or have a desk job, position your workspace near a window to get natural light exposure throughout the day. Step outside during breaks. Use your lunch break or quick intervals to step outside. Even a few minutes in the sun can boost your energy and improve focus for the rest of the day. By embracing natural light each day, you help synchronize your body clock, balance key hormones like melatonin, and strengthen your immune system. Sunlight fuels the mitochondria within your cells, keeping you energized and resilient. So why not take a few moments each morning to bask in the sun's warm embrace? This small step can reset your body, improve your energy levels, and set a positive tone for the day. Your mind and body will be grateful for the boost. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness insights. Check out our latest videos to learn more about how you can optimize your health and move from good to great by incorporating simple practices like daily sunlight exposure.